Claude for Excel just rewrote the rules of spreadsheet work? Welcome to AI News in a Minute. Brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Monday, January 26, 2026. Anthropic's Claude for Excel is no longer beta. It's pro tier for knowledge workers. Drag and drop multiple sheets, enjoy memory smarts, and never worry about accidental cell overwrites again. This is a game changer for finance pros. Gallup reports half of U.S. workers have never used AI at work. But tech roles are smashing it with a 77% adoption rate. Remote jobs use AI more than twice as much as physical ones. The gap is real and widening fast. OpenAI's GPT 5.2 Pro just crushed math benchmarks, scoring 31% on frontier math, nearly doubling the old record. This AI is flexing serious advanced reasoning power, pushing professional science and math capabilities to new heights. Cursor 2.4 amps up coding speed, with sub-agents splitting tasks into work streams. It now generates images from text and adds custom skills. The enterprise plan's Cursor Blame helps track AI-generated code. Developer productivity just went turbo. Japanese AI lab Sakana AI teamed up with Google to bring AI into regulated industries in Japan. Leveraging Google's AI and with $379 million raised, Sakana aims to innovate while navigating tight compliance. International AI collaboration at its finest. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI update excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.